Hey there tech fans, Rick here again from the OREI team with an overview of the SplitExtend SX-2C 4K-D100W USB hub. This product allows you to easily connect 3 external displays to any computer through an open USB port. And once those monitors are connected, you can easily mirror or extend your desktop across all the external displays and greatly increase your screen real estate. The hub also provides 3 additional USB 3.0 connections for external peripherals. 2 of those are USB-A and 1 is a USB-C, and you can use those ports to connect things like a microphone, a camera, or even an external hard drive. The hub also provides 2 memory card slots, a full-size SD card slot, and a micro SD card slot that you can use to transfer files from your memory cards directly to your computer. And finally, the product also includes an additional USB-C charging port that you can use with an external 100-watt PD charger to charge your laptop through the connection, as well as provide power to the USB ports for all those external peripherals. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included, and then I'll take a closer look at the hub, and I'll explain the connections and indicators. I'll list the features and functions that this product provides, and then I'll come back and do a short demonstration to show you just how simple this will be to use with your own computer. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first open up the box, you'll find the hub. It's got an aluminum case and a really nice connection cable with USB-C and USB-A connections on the end. You'll also find a full instruction manual included that lists connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information about the hub that you'll need to understand in order to use it correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, I'll list the features and functions, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. This SplitExtend hub features a full metal enclosure, which makes it lightweight and really durable. On the one end, you'll find an integrated, heavy-duty, flexible cable that ends in a USB-C connection. So if you have a newer computer, you can plug this into any available USB-C port in that computer to activate the hub. If you have an older computer, you can use the USB-C to USB-A adapter and convert that to a USB-A connection. Once you plug this into your computer, all the ports on the hub become active. On the one side of the hub, you'll find 3 USB 3.0 ports. 2 of them are USB-A and 1 is a USB-C. These can be used for connecting external peripherals to your computer, like a microphone or a webcam or even a hard drive. To the right of that are 2 memory card slots, a full-sized SD card slot and a micro SD card slot. You can pop a memory card in either one of these and immediately start copying those files to your computer. On the other side of the hub, you'll find 3 full-sized HDMI ports. These can be used for connecting external monitors to your computer, and the minute you connect those external monitors, you can either mirror or extend your desktop across all 3 of those external displays. Each of these support a different resolution. This one is 4K at 60 frames per second, this is 4K at 30 frames per second, and the center one is 1080p. Finally, there's one more USB-C port that's used for charging. You can connect this to an external PD 100-watt charger to actually charge your computer through this single connection, as well as provide power for any of the external peripherals that need it. And that's pretty much it for this particular hub. The OREI SplitExtend SX-2C 4K-D100W is compatible with most modern computer systems, including mini computers, home computers, Mac computers, laptops, and corporate servers. The product's features include full support of 4K media content. It's a 3-display splitter and extender combined into a single product. It is USB 3.0 compliant. It provides 3 external USB ports, as well as a dedicated USB-C port for 100-watt charging. Now I'll show you just how easy it'll be to use this product with your own computer. And for this demonstration, over here I've set up a mini PC that's currently connected to this monitor, and that's the way I normally use it. But I've also set up 3 additional monitors that I'd like to extend my desktop across to increase my screen real estate so I can open multiple programs at the same time. In front of me, I have the hub. Now the first set of connections I'll make are from those 3 additional monitors directly to the hub, and I've already connected 3 high-performance HDMI cables to the monitors, and I'll plug those into the 3 HDMI ports on the side of the unit. And once I've made those connections, I only need to connect the hub to the computer using a USB-C port or a USB-A port. Newer computers have plenty of USB-C ports, but older computers may have a USB-A, so you can use the adapter if needed. In this case, I've got a USB-C in the front, so let me plug that in. And the minute I make that connection, the computer immediately recognizes that I've connected an external device. I've already set the settings for the display on my desktop to extend that desktop across the external monitors. It takes a second to make those adjustments, and there you go. So what you're looking at here is my desktop across all 4 monitors, which gives me, again, the option of opening multiple programs at the same time and even open some of those programs in a full screen mode on one of the monitors. And you can see the mouse is down there in the bottom quadrant. I can move it up, I can move it across, I can move it back down. So it gives me a lot more places to park programs and, again, open things in full screen mode so it's easier to see them. The hub also provides 3 USB connections. 2 are USB-A, 1's a USB-C. And to show you those work, let me just plug the mouse dongle, I don't want to shake this too much, into one of the USB-A connections here on the side. Takes a second to recognize that, and you can see I still have full mouse control. So those USB ports allow you to plug in things like a microphone or a camera or even an external hard drive. All of that will be connected to your computer through that single USB port. And it really is just that easy to get it working. I hope you found this overview of the OREI SplitExtend SX-2C 4K-D100W helpful. This product provides an incredibly easy way for you to connect 3 high-definition monitors to any computer through an open USB port. And once those monitors are connected, you can easily mirror or extend your desktop across all the external displays and greatly increase your screen real estate, which allows you to open more programs simultaneously and open several of those programs in full screen mode. The hub also provides 3 additional USB 3.0 connections. 2 of them are USB-A and 1 is a USB-C, and you can use those ports to connect things like a microphone or a camera or an external hard drive to your computer. The hub also provides 2 memory card slots, a full-size SD card slot and a micro SD card slot that you can use to transfer files from your memory cards directly to your computer. And finally, there's an additional USB-C charging port that you can connect to an external 100-watt PD charger to charge your laptop through the hub and provide power to all the peripherals that are connected to the USB ports. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a simple connection, you can be up and running in no time. So until next time, thanks again for watching.